Alright, you guys, today we're going to change a cabin air filter in my 2018 Honda Clarity. What you're going to need is this cabin air filter, this specific number for the model for the air filter. Because if you do not use that one, I'm just not saying this specific one, but there's other different makes that will have a different model, but this one, it's like a mid-tier one. There is a Febreze one that has the scented, but it's like $36 for one. This is, I think, 12, which is mid-grade, good, high efficiency, high density, long lasting, easy to install, right? So let's get into it. So what we want to do is open. Now you're supposed to release this, but unfortunately mine's broke. So what you want to do after that is release the tensioners, and boom. This right here is going to be your air filter housing. So let me take this out and we'll show you how to do that. Then from here, there's two tabs, right? There's this one, and then there's this one right here. Boom. It's free. And then now you just take it out. See how dirty this one was? It's because I have it parked under a tree, this tree specifically, or that tree. So this one's dirty. Now, time to swap it out. So you're gonna do the same thing. Just take this and push it. Make sure it's kind of level. Mine's kind of bent for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. And then just put the housing back on. See if I can get this, because I am doing this with one hand, so. Okay, finally got it in, but I also want to point out that on their cabin air filter, it's going to say flow down. I forgot to mention that part right here, where it says airflow down. That means air's going to be coming from the outside in, going this way, right? So there's going to be an arrow pointing on your air filter, and it's going to say airflow. Do not point it up. Make sure it's pointing down, just like it says that here. So after I did that, I clipped it. Now you want to hear 2 clicks. After that, you are done. Now, what you have to do is make sure you pinch the sides like you did before, to have go in just like that. I know it was a little aggressive, but because since this was broken right here, it wasn't my fault. It was like that when I bought it. So yeah, and that's how you change from a 2018 to a 2021 Honda Clarity air filter.